Today I want to start derivative of a function that is chain rule. This rule is known as chain rule. How it happened? Suppose y is a function of t and t is a function of x. What do you observe? T connects y and x, so it forms a chain. So if y is equal to function of t and t is a function of x and we want to find dy by dx, then from first function we find dy by dt, and then from second function we find dt by dx. So my dear student, the rule may be extended further if y is equal to ft, t is equal to gu, and u is equal to hx. Then dy by dx is equal to dy by dt, dt by du, and du by dx. Now following these rules, we want to solve some problems. Sine of angle, we read it in this way: sine of angle x cube and sine cube x e to the power sine x. My dear students, there is difference between sine of angle x cube and sine cube x. The sine of angle x cube means the angle is x cube and sine cube x is the product of sine x into sine x into sine x. So this is difference between sine of angle x cube and sine cube x e to the power sine x. Third problem. Now I want to solve one by one. Let y is equal to sine of angle x cube. By putting x cube is equal to t, what do you observe? We have y is equal to sine t and t is equal to x cube. So dy by dt is equal to cos t and dt by dx is equal to 3x square. Thus dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. So dy by dt is equal to here cos t and dt by dx is equal to 3x square. So you write here in this way: cos t into 3x square. So now after solving we have 3x square cos t and put the value of t is equal to x cube. So it will be 3x square cos of angle x cube. Now my dear student, we can solve it directly also. Here y is equal to sine of angle x cube. So dy by dx is equal to sine d by dx of sine of angle x cube. And first you differentiate trigonometrical ratios cos of angle x cube, then angle d by dx of x cube, and this is equal to cos x cube into 3x square. So my dear students, in this way we can solve this problem directly. If the question will be asked, find dy by dx by chain rule, then you can solve it by assuming the value of x cube is equal to t and y is equal to sine t. And if it will be asked that differentiate y is equal to sine of angle x cube, then you solve it directly by applying this rule. So my dear student, I hope here I have solved this problem by 2h, by chain rule and directly. Now y is equal to sine cube x, and sine cube x can be written as sine x to the power cube. Consider sine x is equal to t. So y is equal to t cube and t is equal to sine x. So dy by dt is equal to 3t square and dt by dx is equal to cos x. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. That is 3t square cos x. That is 3 sin square x into cos x. Y is equal to e to the power sin x. By putting sin x is equal to t, we have y is equal to e to the power t. So sin x is equal to t, then dt by dx is equal to cos x. And here dy by dt is equal to e to the power t. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. That is e to the power t into cos x. That is e to the power sin x into cos x. Now alternatively, we can solve this problem in this way. Y is equal to e to the power sin x. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of e to the power sin x. And we know the differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. Now we differentiate the power to d by dx of sin x. So it is e to the power sin x into cos x. That is e to the power sin x into cos x. So my dear students, in this way now we can solve also other problems of algebraic expression. Here first problem is y is equal to x plus b to the power m. So base is algebraic expression. Base is algebraic expression. So by putting x plus b is equal to t, so y is equal to t to the power m and t is equal to x plus b. So dy by dt is equal to m into t to the power m minus 1. So dt by dx is equal to d by dx of x plus b. So by applying the rule of sum of the two functions, here d by dx of ax plus d by dx of b, that is a plus 0, that is a. Hence dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. That is m into t to the power m minus 1 into a. That is a into m t to the power m minus 1. And put the value of t. It is am into x plus b whole to the power m minus 1. So my dear student, you can solve this problem alternatively also. Alternative method. Y is equal to ax plus b whole to the power m. And we know the formula y is equal to x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. So now it will be m into ax plus b whole to the power m. Now we differentiate the base. Base is ax plus b. Now it is m into x plus b to the power m minus 1 here. X plus b to the power m minus 1. M minus 1. And here the differentiation of d by dx of x plus b is d by dx of ax plus d by dx of b. So it will be m into ax plus b whole to the power m minus 1. D by dx of ax is a and d by dx of b is 0. So after solving we have am ax plus b whole to the power m minus 1. So without considering the base as a different variable, now you can solve this problem in this way. So it depends upon you. How will you solve it? Now it will be 3x plus 5 whole to the power 6. So 3x plus 5 whole to the power 6. By chain rule we considered 3x plus 5 is equal to t. So it is y is equal to t to the power 6. It is dt by dx is equal to d by dx of 3x plus 5. That is 3 into d by dx of x plus 0. So that is 3. dy by dt is equal to 6 into t into 6 to the power minus 1. That is 6 into t to the 5. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. That is 6 into t to the 5 into 3. That is 18 into t to the 5. That is 18, 3x plus 5 whole to the power 5. My dear student, we can solve this problem alternatively. Y is equal to suppose Now, yes, here it is clear that now you can solve this problem alternatively. It is up to you. You can solve this problem directly or in this way. Now problem number 3. Let y is equal to root over x square plus 2bx plus c. So now consider x square plus 2bx plus c as t. So it is y is equal to t to the power 1 by 2. Convert it in the form of exponential. Exponent. Now dt by dx is equal to d by dx of x square plus 2bx plus c. It is the summation of three functions. So d by dx of x square plus d by dx of 2bx plus d by dx of c, that is 2x plus 2b plus 0. That is 2x plus 2b. Now dy by dt is equal to half t to the power half minus 1. Half t to the power minus half. So half root t. So dy by dt is equal to half root over x square plus 2bx plus c. So my dear student, you must remember, if you have to differentiate y is equal to root x, then dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. You must remember the result. How it happened? How it happened? Y is equal to x to the power half. So dy by dx is equal to half into x to the power half minus 1. So it is half into x to the power minus half. So it will be half root x. Make it positive. This is the value of dy by dx. So you must remember this differential coefficient of the radical y is equal to root x. And remember it. Remember the result also. So now, by applying this method, y is equal to root over x square plus 2x 2bx plus c. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 root over x square plus 2bx plus c. Now you differentiate this base. It will be 2x plus 2b. 2 cancel, and this will be the result. So my dear student, you can solve it directly in this way. Y is equal to root over alternative method x square plus 2bx plus c. So dy by dx is equal to half ax square plus 2bx plus c, half minus 1. Now d by dx of this expression ax square plus 2bx plus c. Now my dear student, it will be half ax square plus 2bx plus c minus half, and it is 2ax plus 2b. Now make it positive. Half root over ax square plus 2bx plus c into take common 2 ax plus b. 2 cancel, and we have ax plus b by root over ax square plus 2bx plus c. This is the value of dy by dx. So my dear student, it depends upon you how you solve this problem. You should know this method also. Now differentiate y is equal to cos square x square, cos square of the angle x square. Find dy by dx. Let t is equal to x square. So cos of angle x square is equal to cos t, and u is equal to cos t. So y is equal to u square. So here there are three functions. Dy by dx is equal to dy by du, du by dt, and dt by dx. Dy by du is equal to 2u. Differentiating third equation. Du by dt is equal to cos t minus sin t. dt by dx 2x. So dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dt into dt by dx. Put the value of 2u minus sin t into 2x. 2 cos t minus sine of angle x square into 2x is 2x. So putting the value of x, write the value of t in term of x. We have 2 cos of angle x square minus twice x sine of angle x square minus 4x sine of angle x square into cos of angle x square. So you write here minus 2x, 2 of angle sine x square cos of angle x square. It is minus 2x sine of angle 2 x square. Alternatively, you can solve this problem in this way. Y is equal to cos square x square. So find dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of cos x square का whole square. So now angle is x square. Now we differentiate 2 cos of angle x square. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियो का हो गया. अब इसका पावर भी एक घट गया. Now d by dx of cos of angle x square of angle cos x square minus d by dx of cos x square, not x square, cos of angle x square, we read in this way, that is minus sine of angle x square, not d by dx of x square. So it will be minus 2 cos of angle x square twice sine of angle x square into x, and after solving we have minus 4 sine of angle x square into cos of angle x square into x, minus 2 into sine of angle x square cos of angle x square into x. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2x sine of angle 2x square. In this way we can solve this problem. Now we want to solve if y is equal to sine of angle root sine x plus root cos x. Angle is in the form of root sine x plus root cos x. Find dy by dx. Y is equal to sine of angle root sine x plus cos x. By putting, students, now let y is equal to sine of angle root sine x plus cos x. By putting t is equal to sine x plus cos x, we have u is equal to root t. Now y is equal to sine u, the dy by dx is equal to du y by du into du by dt into dt by dx. So dy by du is equal to cos u, du by dt is equal to d by dt of t to the power half, half t to the power half minus 1, half t to the power minus half. So du by dt is equal to 1 by 2 root t. Now dt by dx is equal to d by dx of sin x plus cos x, d by dx of sin x plus d by dx of cos x, and it is cos x minus sin x. So thus dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dt into dt by dx. So it will be cos u 1 by 2 root t and cos x minus sin x. So cos of angle root t half square root of sin x plus cos x, cos x minus sin x. So dy by dx is equal to cos of square root of sin x plus cos x minus sin x, divided by 2 root sin x plus cos x. So in this way we can solve this problem. So my dear students, now in this video I have solved different problems by applying chain rule and without chain rule. I hope you will do better by solving this problem frequently. Thank you very much.